back today, you guys, and of course I have some more hair, and this is the hair from WowEbony. This is absolutely freaking beautiful. This is my final review on this hair. I did color it, you guys. I wanted a copper color. It's obviously not copper. I'm kind of sour about it, but it still came out beautiful, so I really can't complain. I did go in and bleach the knots, you guys, but this is what has me thinking, is it virgin or not? Because I went and bleached the knots. They did not really lift at all, and I used professional grade, so I was a little disappointed in that. And then also too, I found out some tips in coloring this hair copper, so I don't think it lifted, also because it had like some type of dye on top of it, you guys. So I absolutely love the hair outside of it not coloring and such. It is still smooth to the touch, no tangling. And then I also didn't incur any shedding, and that's what I was really happy about. Even though it was probably some type of rinse or color on top of it, it definitely did not shed. So I was really happy about that, because sometimes when you're coloring hair, and I left this color on, y'all saw in the video how long I left it on. So I left it on for a minute, and for it to not have any shedding, or just have little shedding, that was actually really good for me. So you guys, out of a 10, I would give this hair a 9.5 because it is really good quality. Like I said, the cap felt really good. The hair feels really good. It straightened and did everything I needed it to do. So I am super pleased with it, you guys. So if you have any questions, don't forget to leave and comment below, you guys. I want to know what you're thinking. Remember, we talking to each other. So I love you guys so much. I'm so excited. We're at 20 freaking thousand. And kisses to you guys, and I will see you next time. Later.